Hi, it's Chris from the Back in Motion Health Group. Today I'm here with Pip and we're going to be talking about lunges. Lunges are a great exercise for the quads, glutes, core and your balance. But there's three common things that we see that people do wrong. Number one would be bringing their knees excessively over their toes, like so. This places a lot of pressure on the knees and results in poor utilisation of the glutes. Number two would be leaning too far forward at the trunk. Again, this results in poor utilisation of the glutes. Thirdly, front on, if we look at Pip's knee alignment, we commonly see people rolling in at the knee, like so. In this scenario, the glutes and external rotators aren't working very well, and again, that can place a lot of load on the knee. So there you have it, there's our three top tips. Thanks for watching.